Well, hi everyone, Mr. Martin here out on the West Coast. It's Saturday morning and a little bit of time for the workshop. It's just a couple of things today. It's just a bit of a quick video. Firstly, hope you're all doing well in amongst this very strange time we're in. Just been to Bunnings, what a strange experience that was, but hey, had to go out. And I actually had to go out and get some material that I'm going to attempt to use for lining this forge here. Now, I watched, I'm a subscriber of Alex Steele, been watching him for years, but watched one of his recent ones the other day, and he reminded us that if you've got a forge with Kaol in it, you really shouldn't have it exposed like I've got it here, and I didn't even realise that. The particles in there can come out, and I guess it's a little bit like you would expect, say, asbestos to react in your lungs, so I don't want that. So today I'm just going to make a quick video on lining this with some high temperature refractory material. Actually, what I've got hold of is this stuff I'm going to try. It's called Lanco 156 from Bunnings. It's good up to 1,000 degrees. There's 5 kilos here, and I thought that hopefully I've got some left over and I can use it for making hamons on knives, so I'm going to practice with that afterwards. But I'm continuing on with this Knife Makers Guild challenge. I've got a little bit more done and there'll be a video coming out with that. I've got a bit more drilling to do on here. I've got the pin stock has arrived, so I've got this fine pin stainless steel, so it's going to have brass bolsters, and it's going to have stainless steel pins and a brass lanyard tube. But I'll get that done before I heat treat. This one is ready for heat treating, and once I've drilled a hole for this one, this hidden tang, that'll be ready for heat treating too. I also made this, I'm attempting to make a sort of a Tanto style blade and handle, so it's going to have like a little guard. I'm going to have a slightly tapering handle on the back here, and it will be wrapped in a sort of a Japanese style handle wrap, and I've never done it before, so that'll be quite interesting. But I wanted to heat treat as many knives as I can once I've got this up and running, so I'm going to be treating 4 knives later today, but for now this is what I've got to get on with. So I don't want this mixture too sloppy. And what I am worried about though is this cracking afterwards, because I don't know, I'm going to have to put it on reasonably thick, but you know, seeing as it's got no, I think this is mortar is designed to go, you know, like for barbecues in between a brick joint, something like that. It's not really meant for like a render situation, which is what I'm going to be doing on the forge. See how this goes. I'm just going to put this on with my hands. And so I'm just going to spread it on best I can. Whew. Well, I got it all on there, but honestly I don't believe this is going to work too well, because from what I know about cement, I've spent many years in the building industry using cement. I think this is just going to crack really easy and not last long at all. But what it might do is it might be enough to bed itself into the Kaol wall, and then maybe I can just put another coat on or something like that. But let's get this mask off so it's reasonably safe now. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm just putting like a little bit of water on to fill in all the gaps. Creates a little bit of a slurry over the top. Smooths it all out, fills in all the gaps. But as you probably saw, this sort of attempted to fall out of this front. So I don't know how I'm going to keep that in. I might just have to put some clips in there or something, not really sure. But anyway, worth a try. It's not very expensive, this stuff. So I'm just going to go over this. Alright, let's see if I can give you a better look at that. There you go, that's that. That's inside of there, nice and smooth. So let's let that dry for 48 hours. So that's good for now. Thanks for watching this. I'm going to end it there, and I'm going to make a short video of this just so that I can get something uploaded. And I'll show you the result of this another day.